Alright, in this small video I'll show you some Vim trick which might be well known to you, but unfortunately instead of reinventing the stuff, and I thought to show something which drives my daily productivity. It might be useful to you, it might not be useful to you. It's your call to use it. These stuffs are all described in my Vimmercy, which is aptly available on GitHub if you are curious enough to know the findings. Okay, so I'm inside Vim, and to change the directory I just bounded it to leader D. Leader in my case is semicolon. If I press leader D, look at the bottom of the file, it will ask me to get into the directory, so where I can manually, I do a lot of stuff manually still. Automation is good, but yeah, sometimes I'm inside that directory. As I said to my other video, that I use command T to find my files, so I have bounded it to leader T. Look at the bottom, it is trying to find out the file. Okay, so in that buffer you can use Control N and Control P to go up and down. Okay, it has got some sort of fuzzy search in it. Okay, so for instance, if I look for something specific, say I want to have a look at this memory file, I can go here. Okay, so likewise, say for instance, if I want to find out to run Vim grep, I have bounded it to leader G. Look at the bottom of the screen, it is expecting you to provide a string to find out, and it will essentially open up a quick fix window where you can manipulate and see. Okay, so if I do that, users, look at the quick fix window it opened. It contains only one line which is visible on the top pane also. I'm just giving you a rudimentary example so you can essentially grasp the motive behind this binding. I'm not teaching you how it could be done, I'm teaching you the motive behind this binding, so things get easy if you do it in that way. It's certainly easy for me. Okay, so if I press enter, I'll be presented to it's a simple concept, right? Okay, I can close that. So likewise, for if I open up I have bounded the vertical split with the leader V, and if I go and do another search and open another file, say verify init, okay, and if I wanted to know what are the buffer I have got, at this moment it is 2, it could be 10, it could be 5 for you to enlist it yet another binding, that is leader B. Okay, leader B, look at the bottom of the screen, it show me where I am at this moment. Okay, and what are the buffer open in different pane. Got it. Now to move around, you can I have bounded it to leader P, leader N. Okay, so there is various way of moving around the file. So it is very easy and very convenient. I thought it might be helpful to you. So likewise, say if I wanted to see the register I have already, I'm trying to accumulate all the essential stuff in at one go. It might be pretty daunting to you, but if you take a step back and do it in slow way, little bit slow way, instead of, there is an inertia among the people who wanted to do everything in a faster way for no specific reason. Most probably they want to try to impress certain section of the public and who fail to grasp their trickery. Anyway, let's not delve into those kind of stuff. So I bounded it to leader R. See, these are the registers and the content of it. It's a simple keystroke which brings you all the information in front of you so you can manipulate it. So the bottom line is, what I'm trying to say, bound something or do something which will be absolutely necessary to you. Don't do something in some Tom, Dick and Harry on the internet or YouTube doing all this stuff to catch your eyes or hog a cheap limelight. Don't do that. It doesn't follow your daily workflow, right? It doesn't bring anything good to you if it is not part of your day-to-day stuff. So don't do that. Do only stuff what is actually required to. What I'm showing here to you, it might not be useful to you. Discard it. As simple as that. I do. If you feel it is required, you can embrace it. Not here. If other people are showing a good stuff, you should go and embrace that if it is fall along with your workflow. If it is not, just forget about it. I go in that fashion. Okay, so I hope this will be useful to you, some people. Thanks for watching.